Close-up of a cozy patio corner with lush green plants in terracotta pots, surrounded by warm string lights glowing at dusk, creating a relaxed garden feel and natural textures. Detailed close-up of a charming outdoor patio packed with leafy plants and decorative lanterns, creating a warm, inviting evening setting with soft and ambient illumination. Close-up of a plant-filled patio with dense greenery and golden fairy lights overhead, capturing a peaceful, intimate backyard garden mood bathed in soft, warm evening light. Cozy patio close-up featuring various tropical plants and rustic wooden furniture, with delicate warm lights twinkling among leaves to create a serene and leafy outdoor retreat. Close-up of a decorated patio overflowing with potted plants and glowing string lights, offering a soft, romantic ambience and a beautifully natural, home garden aesthetic. Detailed patio close-up with layered green plants, blooming flowers, and warm hanging lights, evoking a tranquil evening tucked away in a stylish and lush urban garden nook. Close-up of an intimate patio garden with lush potted plants and ivy-covered walls, accented by cozy yellow lights that give the space a magical, inviting night atmosphere. Richly detailed close-up of a small patio filled with vibrant plants and wooden planters, with soft bistro lights overhead, creating a warm, decorative living space at twilight. Close-up of a serene patio covered in dense botanical greenery, with soft glowing lanterns and string lights adding warmth to this peaceful and bohemian outdoor sanctuary. Close-up patio view with layered plants, ferns and flowering pots, accented by warm white lights and rustic decor for a cozy, elegant evening garden setting in the breeze. Charming close-up of a backyard patio overflowing with green plants and vines, lit by delicate fairy lights and a soft lantern glow for a calm, dreamy nighttime garden feel. Close-up of a stylish patio garden featuring an abundance of potted foliage, warm ambient lighting, and natural wooden elements for a comfortable and inviting outdoor escape. Close-up perspective of a lush patio with many decorative plants and hanging baskets, capturing the atmosphere of a cozy, well-loved garden corner in the sparkling evening. Detailed patio close-up with tropical leaves and flowering pots, featuring glowing outdoor lights woven through greenery for a vibrant yet relaxing mood in the small space. Close-up of a welcoming patio scene filled with abundant potted plants and soft golden lights, creating a peaceful, intimate, and visually rich setting for outdoor living.